Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with Olivia Fiskowski and I guess brother Kane. And today and you said we are making how to make Halloween trees. Woo! Woo! So all you need is marshmallows
and the sticks
and sprinkles and eyeballs,
chocolate chips, chocolate wafers.
So we have bats and pumpkin decorations, optional.
and a good attitude.
A smile.
So the first thing you do is to heat up chocolate and the wafers in the microwave for 1 minute.
All right.
Okay.
Hallelujah.
So on this one, we're gonna go another minute.
10,
9,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is it orange? So all you do is stir.
Stir, okay.
Stir it.
Watch out, it's hot.
It's hot. And now we put the marshmallow on the stick.
This is so much fun and easy to make.
Thanks, Olivia.
You're welcome, Kane. Happy Halloween!
Halloween is special me because my birthday is on Halloween. So after that is put the marshmallow and dip it with chocolate and with the sprinkles. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. It's so much fun to do.
Nice. Eye placement is key. Ooh. So now we made them and they look amazing. So what do we do?
We eat them.
Yay!
Let's get into it. Delicious.
Sorry, SpongeBob, you're delicious.
Sorry, Frankenstein, you're delicious.
Yummy is good.
And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that way you never miss when Leah posts another amazing video.
And thank you for watching us. Happy Halloween!
All right, now you make a witty remark, Kane.
Witty remark.